Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce your Sketchup file size. When we model a project, we find out that the file size is so large because of some of the components we added to our project. At some point, even when you try to delete some of the components, it won't have much effect on the file size. Like this project that we have right here. This is the project and this is the file size. The file size is 32,699 KB. So at this point, even if let's try to delete some of these components here in the project. Okay, we have erased some of the components. Let's erase more. We'll keep on erasing most of these components. Okay, let's leave it there. And now we're gonna save the project. Let's go back to our folder and see the changes. You can see it's just a slight difference. Because those components we deleted is still in this project. So for you to delete it permanently, you have to purge all those unused components. So all you have to do is to click on Window, you click on Model Info, and this is where you purged the unused statistics. Click on Statistics and click on Purge Unused. It may take sometimes depending on the capacity of your PC. Just a quick one. Please like the video so it can get to more people. Subscribe to this channel because this is the channel that will optimize your design skills. We share tips and tricks for efficient modeling, visualization, rendering, and animations. Share your design ideas, ask questions, and get response from different professionals. Get a step-by-step guide on how to improve your design skills for free. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more interesting videos daily. Thank you so much for subscribing. If there is any step you do not understand, you drop it on the comment section. I will attend to it. Okay, we are done purging the project. So you save the project. Now let's go back to our folder to see the size of the project now. You can see it. See the huge difference. So that's just it. That's how to reduce the size of your project on Sketchup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you in